What if the monsters we fear aren't just myths? What if the stories whispered around campfires, scratched into ancient cave walls, and filmed in shaky footage are echoes of something far older and more profound? From the shadowy forests where Bigfoot is said to roam to the ranches of Latin America haunted by the Chupacabra, these creatures aren't just legends. They are beasts of burden, carriers of forgotten histories, cultural fears, and unanswered questions that have shaped humanity for centuries. Forget everything you think you know about legendary monsters. This isn't just another list of spooky campfire tales. We're diving deep into historical accounts, cultural folklore, and alleged sightings to uncover how cryptozoology's most compelling creatures have burdened our collective consciousness, and why we can't stop searching for them, long before science gave names to species. Humans were already recording encounters with the unknown. Ancient cave paintings depict towering humanoid figures. Tribal myths speak of giants roaming forests and mountains. Civilizations across the globe, separated by oceans, told eerily similar stories of sea serpents, wild men, and colossal beasts. These weren't just bedtime stories. They were attempts to explain a dangerous world filled with creatures humanity couldn't yet understand. As early explorers began documenting new animals like gorillas, giant squids, and Komodo dragons, something unsettling became clear. If creatures once believed to be mythical were real, what else was still hiding? This gave birth to the idea of the missing link, the belief that unknown beasts, greater and stranger, still walk beside us, unseen. This brings us to the modern era of cryptids. In 1967, a grainy film changed everything. The Patterson-Gimlin footage showed a massive, upright figure striding through the forest, not charging, not hiding, but walking with purpose. Decades later, Bigfoot sightings continue to pour in. We have footprints, audio recordings, and even alleged DNA samples. Yet the creature remains just out of reach, a symbol of our belief that the wilderness still holds secrets. Meanwhile, in the Pine Barrens of New Jersey, something else took shape. Born from colonial fear, religious paranoia, and isolation, the Jersey Devil became a warning. A creature meant to embody chaos in an untamed land. Was it mass hysteria, a misidentified animal, or a story powerful enough to survive for centuries? Then, in the 1990s, reports erupted from Puerto Rico. Livestock were found drained of blood, with no clear predator. Only fear. The Chupacabra spread faster than any cryptid before it, evolving with each culture it touched. From a reptilian terror to a hairless canine, the creature became a mirror, reflecting local anxieties, ecological disruption, and mistrust. Of course, science demands proof, and cryptozoology often struggles to deliver it. Hair samples degrade, tracks vanish, and photographs blur, but technology is changing the hunt. Drones now scan remote forests, AI analyzes audio patterns, and advanced cameras capture what human eyes might miss. Still, skepticism remains, and rightly so. But one question persists: why do similar reports emerge from unrelated cultures, again and again? The answer may lie not just in biology, but in psychology. Humans are pattern seekers and story builders. When something doesn't fit our understanding, we create meaning. Cryptids don't just scare us, they represent us. Bigfoot reflects our fear of losing the wilderness. Mothman mirrors our anxiety during times of disaster. Sea monsters echo humanity's dread of the deep unknown. These beasts carry our societal burdens, environmental collapse, cultural identity, and the fear of the unexplored. They also matter economically. Entire towns thrive on cryptid tourism, with festivals, museums, and expeditions, from Loch Ness to the Pacific Northwest. Cryptids have become cultural currency. They are no longer just legends. They're part of our global identity. At its core, cryptozoology isn't really about monsters. It's about curiosity. It's about the desire to push beyond the known, to challenge certainty, and to believe that discovery is still possible. Because history reminds us of one crucial truth: the world has always been bigger than our understanding of it. And somewhere, in the deep forests, the high mountains, or the unexplored oceans, the unknown may still be waiting, not to frighten us, but to remind us how little we truly know. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to subscribe for more.